In today's video, we're going to be talking about Canva, how to use Magic Design for creating Instagram posts. Now, Magic Design is a feature in Magic Studio under the Magic Design over here. And Magic Design is basically going to produce some outputs based on your prompts. So let's try it out and use it for creating an Instagram post. So as you can see here on the instructions on how to use Magic Design, you're simply going to enter your idea or vision with a few words, or you could upload your own media. So let's try Magic Design, as you can see here. So what you're going to do is you're going to simply type post, or you could simply use project as well. So for us, let's say uh, create an Instagram post, post about my dog. Then what we're going to do is you're going to click on start from media. Then you could choose the photo of your dog, and it will automatically create or redirect us to another page over here. And this is like the template page, and you have your basic designs over here, the magic design on the top part, and then your general designs over here below. On the Magic Design, this is going to be the part where it's going to suggest some designs for your Instagram post, as you can see here. And I have uploaded my own image, and this is the outputs that is presented to us by Magic Design, as you can see here. If you don't like any of this, you could simply try again, and you will be able to create a new output. But this is the output that we have, and you can simply choose the one that you would like the most to upload to your Instagram post. So let's try again. Let's change it to something else. So instead of my dog, let's go uh with an Instagram post about my photo of the wheat field. There we go. Let's simply click on enter, and you could change the media to something else. So let's wait for this to generate actually. Let's click on this, then select your new media. You could upload your own media if you want. So see results. So we selected a new one, a new photo. So it will, or it should change the design. And there we go. We have this time a better output in general. For me, I think this is a better output than earlier. As you can see here. For example, this one, the golden R in the wheat field. This is a very good one. Then you could customize this template for you to, change it up a bit, add more things if you want. But I think this is a very good output produced by the AI. It's a very minimalistic output, but it was produced by this Magic Edit or Magic Design over here, which is a very amazing design. And there's other outputs as well. For example, this one, it has a unique style as well, like this bar over here. And I think it's a really good feature, or a very, very good feature of Canva. So that's basically it, guys. That is how you will be able to use it for your Instagram posts. So if you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.